come out here in the morning here, and who do we have here on the other side? These guys, they come and visit us fairly often. Our Canadian geese here, and they usually come on this stoop right here of ours, and they'll land right here and talk to us and sit and make a little they actually like kind of burrow out this gravel and stuff a little bit and and take a nap in here. So our building ends up having ends up having our building has I just got up, bear with me here. Our building has 4 of these little things like that come out like this at the so our building's shaped like a hexagon. So, and look who's still up there. Still got both of them. So we're doing good. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing good on this weekend and on this this fine Saturday. Take care, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Every year, but in downtown Winnipeg, this parade of Punjabis happens, and there's That's the famous booster juice we keep talking to you about. So here we are again, going in to grab ourselves a smoothie. He's got a big tail. Something. This is quite the yard. That's insane. It's got no grass to cut. Neat. Oh, there's a little squirrel. Hi, Bonds. I don't know where he went. He went somewhere in there. Now it's like all these, I don't know what this tree is called. I grew up having these like, oh, beside the house. That was crazy.
I think it's a juniper.
Oh, he's over here. Wherever the trees are moving, that's usually where they are. Oh, he's over there, yeah. See if you guys can picture him. Ah, he's on the... I really, really, really like these types of entries. Really gives me like old vibes. Andrew likes it too. Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay guys, we're putting a bunch of clips of houses that we kind of like.
This one's amazing. Look at that.
That's really, really cool with that upper terrace, all of the trees and shrubbery.
It's really cool. This is good.
It's pretty damn good. Mine is watermelon blast or something. I think that's what it is.
Is that the one you have?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very berry.
Yeah,
the one Andrew usually has.
Yeah, you stole it.
But it's just too good to pass up. I usually order like the tropical. What is it? Tropical.
No, I'm not sure.
Tropical something anyway. It has a lot of the tropical fruit, but I love a dark berry. This is just on the sidewalk path. Happened to this property? Not taking care of it or something. I mean, it's a really gorgeous property, but the grass is all dead. I don't know. The windows are open, so someone's got to be living here. There's a light on there. Yeah, well, nice neighborhood. Really nice neighborhood. What are these flowers? These are gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the shape, the color. Gorgeous. Let's see if I can find any 4-leaf clovers. I don't think so. Is that something you guys used to do or still do? Just try and find 4-leaf clovers? I think I found one. Oh no, it's just a 3. And then look at these little pretty flowers. These are nice. Not sure what they're called, but it's like not wanting to focus on it. Andrew with the matching outfit. We were just talking about it. He's like, look at that blue shirt, blue shoes. No, his pants look great. You have a green pair like that too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, they're great.
Green and the blue ones have ribs on them. But...
We returned the black ones because they were too short. Darn pants, why don't you make the same freaking length if I'm ordering the same size, just in different colors? So irritating.
It's awful. Plus, stretchy jeans too are the worst. It's like my worst nightmare. Because my whole life, of course, guys don't normally wear stretchy jeans. So growing up in the 80s, 90s, 2000s, wherever. So now that the whole stretchy jean thing for men has crossed over a number of years ago, now getting those, they're comfortable and they fit and they're awesome, but always pulling them up all the time. I know what you guys, what females go through now, that's for sure. Or people who wear them, whoever wears them, doesn't matter. But it sucks sometimes, man. I'm gonna throw a build.
Nice big trees here. Very clean area. Haha. Not sure what's happening. New growth, I guess. New growth. Apparently I don't look at the proper way on the camera. So a lot of times I'm looking at myself over here, but I can't have to be... This is going to be hard for me.
Mm-hmm. It's weird looking at the screen versus...
Oh, well. I'm going to go take a look at this park over here. There's some swings and stuff, so stay tuned. An abandoned splash pad. That's sad. But yeah, this is the little park I was talking earlier about. See, the swings right here. I might fit. Let's go take a look.
Okay, so this tree is like legit. Like, I don't know, like when you say things are legit, well, this is and like I'm guessing it's like, it makes it look like it's one tree, but like there's literally like 7 or 8 trees that it like splits into, which is the craziest thing. And it's like these crazy fingers being bent out and different things. Yeah, there's like, wow, pretty awesome. Right, so apparently you can climb right in here. And I wasn't aware of that. That is exactly what I'm doing right now. So now I'm up inside here in this where you guys can barely see because it's too dark, but anyway, you can be inside the middle of this thing.
Came out too fast out of it. I mean, obviously we don't know the whole story, but ever since we've been here for like the past like 8 minutes, Dad's been on his phone on the bench here. And then daughter was just on the swing set, just by herself. Come on, at least like interact with your child. Can you take a wild guess who their favorite Canadian team for football is? Take a wild guess, guys. Wild guess. You got 3 chances. Are you kidding me? Every time we go for a walk, there's a cat for Andrew. And this cat just ran to Andrew. I wish I would have caught that on camera. Like, it ran to him. Aww. This cat looks really friendly. Hi, Buds.
Oh, he's pushing hard.
Hi. Hi. You're pretty.
No, you don't understand. I don't understand how he's not knocked out on the ground right now. He smashed his head into my shin.
Oh my God. Like, well, maybe he doesn't get enough affection.
Dude, are you not hurt right now? You don't. That was legitimate hard.
Oh, I think I heard it. We might hear it on camera.
Okay, buddy?
Well, he just loves you right now. He doesn't care. Oh, he doesn't like that. Well, he says, you know what? I don't know these strangers, so maybe, you know.
There you go. Let me pick you up. Okay. I'm picking you up. Deal.
wonder what this little place is gonna end up looking like. It's really cool. Ah, I love lights. Really cool. Look at that. Cute. Don't want to walk in there, so we're just making our way on the little grass area to reach the other side of the sidewalk, because you can't walk there. That's dangerous. You can't see me, but maybe you'll see Andrew. Yeah, you can see Andrew a little bit. We're having a date night. We're at Earls restaurant and bar, and we're deciding on a drink to order. So.
All right, what do we got here? We have, if I can remember, because I mean, I just ordered it, we should be able to remember. This is vegan angry tofu lettuce wraps. We have a sangria here, a red sangria. So it is red wine, some sort of a other hard alcohol. There we go. That is the strawberry guava slush, and it is really, really damn good. Quite powerful though, we don't drink very often. So we have a house impossible burger that they cooked, and some fries, of course, on an onion bun. I can't speak French, so don't yell at me. This is a vegan mushroom, kale mushroom pizza, and we've had it before from Earls, and it is incredible.
Well, folks, that's the reminiscence of supper left. That's it. Andrew cleaned his plate out. We're gone. I have a little bit of fries left and ketchup, and we're packing this up and bringing it home. It's a nice little area here. Very cozy. We were sitting in this area. Date night was a success. We don't do it often enough, but when we do, it's always fun. So just one note to self: always do date night, because life is too short and you never know. So enjoy the time you have together. No, it was great. It was a really, really lovely time. You'll see in the earlier clips that we went for a walk, and we saw some squirrels, we saw some bunnies, and we saw some cats. We literally saw it all. But yeah, it was overall a great evening, a great day. So hopefully your end of a Sunday was as good as ours. I know it's a holiday for us tomorrow. I don't know if it's a holiday Monday for everyone else around, but I'm not working tomorrow, and neither is Andrew.